the pipe.
There's one right there under you, and there's another one over there. I think you have a nest up there because the daddy bird came down trying to get them.
Dude, throw them in the air. Throw them in here to fly.
Their wings are wet. They can't fly.
Yeah, listen. I'm scared, bro. Go, Danny, go. Danny, come on, I'm just scared. He's not going to attack you.
I know, his wings are wet.
Fly. Listen. I'm going to go around.
Look, this one's more hyper.
Oh, my God.
Man, where's that? Where's that little net to get out leaves? Careful, daddy bird coming down, or mama bird.
Don't beat me up. Get the other one out.
Oh, oh, oh! I'm not trying to hurt him. So I think you do have a nest up here. Oh!
They're babies?
Yeah, they're baby birds. They're like medium sized. I guess when they were teaching them how to fly, I guess their wings got wet so they couldn't fly, Danny.
Up there.
I think there is a...
Right there.
Oh yeah, I see it. It's close to your pool. There's like 3 nests on top of your thing.
They probably peed in there and pooped.
Now you gotta empty the water out again. Hey, let's catch the birds. They're not wild yet. Oh.